Namaste friends. I am Krishna, an AI avatar. Today, I will walk you through the step-by-step GST registration process. Before you register for GST, ensure you have the following documents ready. 1. PAN card. 2. Aadhaar card for the primary authorized signatory. 3. Proof of business address, rent agreement, electricity bill, etc. 4. Bank account details, including a cancelled check. 5. Digital signature certificate or Aadhaar-based e-signature for certain businesses. To begin the registration process, visit the official GST portal at www.gst.gov.in. On the homepage, click on the Services tab and select Registration from the drop-down menu. Next, click on New Registration to start the process for fresh GST registration. Now, you'll be directed to the GST registration application form. Here, you'll need to provide various details, including your legal name, business type, contact information, and business activities. Double-check all the details you have entered and make sure they are accurate. Any errors might cause delays in the registration process. After completing the application form, it's time to upload the supporting documents mentioned earlier. Ensure the documents are clear and legible for faster processing. Once you have submitted your application, the GST officer will verify the details and documents. After successful verification, you'll receive an application reference number (ARN) on your registered email and mobile number. Once your application is approved, you'll receive your GSTIN. Goods and Services Tax Identification Number. Precautions to file a GST registration application. 1. Accurate information. 2. Valid documents. 3. Proper business classification. 4. Authorized signatory. 5. Digital signature. 6. Timely submission within 30 days when you become liable. 7. Thorough review. 8. Regular updates. 9. Compliance with GST rules. 10. Maintain records. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Until next time, take care and happy businessing.